And qualification are not important for this job. What matters is your language skill and writing experience. Graphic designer job. Earn money online in Pakistan without investment by graphic designing. So I will tell you, graphic designers are the jobs with the highest demand salaries. Create graphics with passion. Design is a skill. In this job, your earnings are determined by your skill, passion, and experience. Within 3 months, you can also learn this skill by joining a course or any institute. A video editing job. Earn money online in Pakistan without investment. YouTube video editing jobs are another way to earn money online in Pakistan without investment. For a video editor, there are many jobs available on OLX. It is one of the best jobs for someone with no experience, no skills, and no qualification. The next one is virtual assistant job. Earn money online in Pakistan without investment. Getting a job as a virtual assistant depends on your communication skill. Manage phone calls, schedule appointments, manage email accounts, and convince customers are among the duties of this job. You can work as a virtual assistant for any website or join the Amazon program. The last one is resume writer job. You can earn money online in Pakistan without investment. To writing resumes in any easy way to earn money online without investment. Writing a resume means creating a CV for a person. The only thing you have to do is getting information from the customer, arrange it, and create an attractive resume. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, share, like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.